Got a propane leak on the camper. Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video, and today, unfortunately, I've got a propane leak on my camper. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to troubleshoot and find the problem, and basically what I did to resolve the problem, which was I ended up having to change the propane regulator. Now we're dealing with propane in this video, so please, if you are not comfortable with messing around with the propane on your RV, please do not do that. Do only what you are comfortable with. I am not an RV mechanic, so this is just literally me sharing my experience, how I was able to diagnose the problem, how I was able to fix it. Don't do what you're not comfortable with, and propane is nothing to mess around with. With that said, let's get into it. All right guys, so the last time we had the rig out, I noticed a propane smell here at the tanks. All right, so now with the gas turned on, and I can definitely smell it still. Do not use a lighter or a match or anything with a flame to locate your propane leak. That could be catastrophic. The best thing to use is some soapy water. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna spray the hoses here to see if I can find any leaks. I'm not seeing anything there. Go ahead and turn this propane tank on. And I'm going to switch the regulator over and spray on here. Now nothing's bubbling. I can smell it pretty good. What I'm going to do is spray this guy. And actually, there it is. All right, did you see that, guys? It's leaking out the bottom right there. So it's leaking out of the vent, which means, from what I researched, that the diaphragm in the regulator is bad. So I'll show you that one more time. Safe way to locate your leak. Spray some soapy water on there. Right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the gas shut off. And like I said, from what I researched, what that means, it's not supposed to be leaking propane out of the vent like that. All right, so we need to get this regulator changed out, and we're gonna do that right now. So for the new regulator, guys, be sure to check out the link in the description. I will have where I got this new regulator linked. Go ahead and get that guy disconnected there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use a 17mm wrench to get this hose off. Once we get it loose, we can just twist off the top. Next, I'm going to get these threads cleaned off. Alright, we got the threads pretty clean. Now what we want to do is we want to use some of this tape that's made for gas connections, and you can pretty much pick it up at like any Ace Hardware. I'll have a link in the description below to where you can get it on Amazon. But we just need to take some of this and put it on our threads. Alright, now that we've got the tape on there, we can go ahead and put the regulator on. Okay, so let's turn on the gas and see what we get. I am not noticing any smells at all, but I do want to check this connection right here just to make sure it's good. No smells, no bubbles. I think we're good. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. I've got all the parts and tools that we used in this video linked down in the description. Plus, I've got links to our Etsy store where we sell a bunch of custom graphics and decals, so be sure to check that out. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!